Welcome back to my Week 3 of 8 YouTube challenge. New skills learned, videos published and data analyzed. Here are the results. January 28th, 2025. Achieved 15,692 views between all content of live views, shorts, and videos. My Warcraft video generating the most interest of over 53% of the views recorded. However, there is a noticeable decrease of around 76% total subscribers. Views and hours total compared to last week, which can be linked to considerably less used on advertising. Currently, at $597, used out of $600 used, meaning now there's not much left in the bank. What have I learned this week? Moving towards longer content as it reaps higher returns. But the trade-off is that even with a video that no one has done before, once it's out of the algorithm, it won't push anything anymore. Am I still on target at the moment? Yes, but with your help by subscribing, I can achieve my goal by the end of February.